These bad boys right here, 13-year breed, 10 motherfucking C. Hear that? That's money.
These are my city cicadas, born and raised in the hard city of Nashville. Every 13 years they come out to prey on all you country folk thinking we didn't come to mate, create more of the city cicadas. They are mating. These motherfuckers are going at it.
Get him.
Bitch! Get him, little eye!
Man, 36 chambers. Oh shit.
Oh, he has him in a headlock. Oh, he's down, he's down.
Get him.
Bugs ain't bad. My bugs are bad as dirt. I have the baddest bugs all down south right now. I got the baddest bugs.
My bugs get them straight up door. This is some city bugs right here. Some city bugs. You want to put some money on it?
You know, my bugs got the spirit of yellow. They're hard. They can run, they can race, do everything. They rational bugs too.
It's cool. My bugs to get it. Bugs taking over.
Take your city bugs, son. Your city bugs ain't jack
My
spot.
city bugs can't hit a car back and take over your national
That South will rise again. Dirty South will rise again. Cicadas rise.
They're about to
South.
they're about to the fuck and die. That's all they're gonna do. My city bugs can't make money.
Come on now. Use all I got. You got one chance, like Eminem said. Come on, y'all mama, come up. Y'all my come up. Come on. Come on, get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. Come on, man. I got you. I got you. Got something for your ass. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Remember the training.